Hi guys, so I'm going to make a room tour. So let's get started. So first we're going to my room. Welcome to my room. And then we're going first here in my bed. This is my bed. It's a loft bed. And this is my bed. This is my pillows. Then my charger, have a light. And then here is some stuffed toys. And then my shirts, many shirts here. And then also my little cabinet. It's some clothes there, and then some clothes, and then my phone. And then we're going this cabinet. Here is some comforter, many comforter here. And then another here, some many shirts. And then down here, some shirts too. And then shoes. And we're going there upstairs here. We're going here and then right there. So this is my only stuff. This is my photo album. This is my folder. And this is my scotch tapes. And then my drum. This is my drum. And then some boxes here. And then here, some printer. And then here is some statues. Here, right there, and there. This is, and this. We're going down. So, this is my aircon, guys. Right there. And then my little small pan there. And then here in the door, there a red pillow, a necktie, and then a belt. So that's it, guys. Thanks guys for subscribing, and then if you like, don't forget to thumbs up and comment down below. So bye.